Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add your own sound on TikTok. And for this you want to create a screen recording by tapping on that red icon right there, and you want to record something. It can be something from YouTube, it can be something from a movie, whatever you want. Alright, once you did that, please go to TikTok, tap on the plus icon mid in the bottom, upload. Then tap on the video that we just recorded, do next again. Make sure that everyone can view this post goes to only you. Then the cross and then post this video. Alright, the video got posted, and now if you go to our locked icon and tap on the video, we can use this audio by clicking right in the bottom. And then we can change it. So now it's original sound and I want to change it to test sound. Do save. Do add to favorites. And now if you go back to our profile, you can see that I just saved the sound, test sound. Alright, this is how it works. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give it a like. And thanks for watching.